Today we will discuss 6 things to do before installing iOS 16.0.2. So let's go. Clean up the storage on your iPhone. If your iPhone is nearing its storage limit, you may need to perform some cleanup before installing. On the internal storage of your iPhone, iOS 16 takes up a substantial amount of space. If you're getting close, check your device's storage and remove any files you no longer require to make sure there is space for the download. Save your login details. When you update, you can also get logged out of the apps you're logged into, which could cause you to forget your passwords if you don't know them. You can prevent that by storing your passwords in iCloud Keychain. Simply check that Keychain is enabled in the iCloud settings. Then carry out the instructions. To do that, navigate to Settings and click on the passwords. Make sure you have saved all of your passwords here. Simply tap the plus icon at the top to save a new password. Back up your iPhone's data. Though problems with data loss are quite uncommon, don't take a chance. Before installing iOS 16.0.2, make sure you have a backup of your data. Many of you are already experienced at backing up your iPhone's data correctly. The iCloud service from Apple will be wanted by some of you. It's a simple way to guarantee the security of your crucial files. Update your apps and read through reviews. Before installing iOS 16 on your iPhone, you should read app reviews if you depend on your apps to get you through the day. Updates for iOS 16 support are being released by app developers. Your experience with the new operating system will be greatly influenced by these updates. You should visit the App Store and read iOS 16 customer reviews before installing it. Installing the most recent update may be a good idea if the majority of user evaluations are positive. If the reviews are negative, you might wish to delay updating your smartphone to the newest operating system until iOS 16 is updated or the app's creator makes an update. Learn how to downgrade. You can downgrade iOS with Apple to an earlier version. This is helpful if issues with your iPhone start to arise with your existing installation of iOS 16. The downgrade path back to the company's previous operating system won't be open forever, and Apple will close it off without warning. To avoid rushing when you need to perform the downgrade procedure, we advise being familiar with it straight away. If your current iOS 16 version isn't working properly, review the procedures and memorize them. Decide how to install 16.0.2. You must have at least a 50% charge on your smartphone and be connected to a Wi-Fi network in order to install iOS 16 through Settings app, unless you have an iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 linked to a 5G network. Additionally, iTunes can be used to install the iOS 16 update. Just connect your device in, locate it, and check for updates. It should be noted that you must update to iOS 16 via Finder rather than iTunes. If you are on macOS Monterey, macOS Big Sur, or macOS Catalina. This is the 6 tips you should know about before install iOS 16.0.2. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.